TG for Group C, 5th place for Group C. 他叫巴汤吉拉巴呢，吉拉巴，他叫个老是小天呢，我讲 TG 到被 Group C 呢。
Big Group C now your winners, but your announcement going on. So I want you guys to be loud, okay? So for dance competition Group C, our 5th place winner is
Obsidian Oynx! Congratulations, Obsidian Oynx! Please make your way up onto the stage. Congratulations for winning 5th place in the 2025 Minnesota Dance Competition. Obsidian Oynx, don't forget your award. Congratulations once again, Obsidian Oynx.
You all rock the station.
Let's line up. Let's get ready for the 4th place winner. Dr. Nian
Okay.
For the 4th place winner, Group C, let's get ready.
Golden Eclipse!
Congratulations, Golden Eclipse, for winning 4th place at the Minnesota 2025 Dance Competition. Congratulations.
Thổ này ba chẳng nói mấy cái chút là thổ này ba mix space trong mấy đứa đem sửa lỡ lo cho sổ lúc sở thiết nó là dài là có cái nào.
Once again, congratulations, make some noise for Golden Eclipse.
Let's go, Golden Eclipse! Congratulations, Serene!
Congratulations once again for 4th place at the Minnesota 2025 New Year Dance Competition. And for the 3rd place, Dr. Chumbery Lee, Dr. Galoshi Shatia, et Monarchx, Kwan, Tipe, Dope, Ba, Oynx, the Group C. For the 3rd place in Group C Dance Competition, let me hear you make some noise for Majestic Monarchx! Congratulations, Majestic Monarchx, for winning 3rd place at the 2025 Dance Competition in Minnesota. Congratulations once again to Congratulations once again for winning 3rd place at the Minnesota 2025 New Year. Dr. Batang Tung Mona, the Degalama Hong TR, the Big Dawa Ying. The Group C now.
Okay. So for 2nd place, we have Serene Sons! Make your way to the stage. Serene Sons in 2nd place.
Congratulations, Serene for winning second place in the 2025 Minnesota Dance Competition. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Serene.
Serene Sons Jung Chia Chop Low đi tàu second place cho nó.
Congratulations once again for winning second place.
Congratulations, Serene.
All right, let's get ready for first place for Group C. For 2025 dance competition in Minnesota for Group C. Let me hear you make some noise for the team that goes by the name of Minnesota Sunshine!
Jung Chia Chop Low, Minnesota Sunshine.
Congratulations once again to Minnesota Sunshine for winning first place at the Minnesota 2025 dance competition. And to bring out the trophy for Minnesota Sunshine, let me hear you make some noise for DJ V. Yes! Congratulations to all the winners. And thank you to Group C, all the competitors for coming out and pouring out your heart on this stage. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting this new year and always playing and entertaining. 我唱梦都是大作被叫，拿起我，高明的主跟才都是